What's up, guys? John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year to everyone. I wanted this quick short video. Well, hopefully it's a short video for you guys to help you guys moving out. I want to share some things with you guys that's going to break through the barrier there that's going to stop you from, or the biggest things that's going to help you move forward when it comes to trading the markets. Now, there's a lot of things out there when it comes to trading the markets. There's a lot of things out there that you can actually do when it comes to trading the markets. But one of the biggest things that I can actually say to you is it's not the trading system that's going to make your money. It's your ability to be able to actually trade that trading system that's going to make you money. Now, what I mean by that is that we all know, right? Every single trading system on the planet has a success rate. We all know that. There's a success rate in the trading system. Now, one of the biggest things that's going to really, really help you every single day, and this has to be a daily mindset when you're approaching the markets, for myself as well too. What's going to take my trade to the next level this year is going to be the ability to be able to every single day. We have the bigger picture, right? The bigger picture is we want to do really well with our trading. Now, but every single day on a daily basis, we need to say, okay, I need to be disciplined and I need to be diligent. I need to be patient and wait for my trading setups. Because we all know, right, if we just wait for our trading setup that we know and we believe in, we're going to do well for the markets. Most of the time, we don't do well for the markets because we get in the way, right? We rush it, we force it, we trade too much, and then guess what happens? We blame everyone else, right? So one of the biggest things that I can actually say that's going to help you move forward is really, it's not the trading system that's going to make you money. Spend a lot of time working on yourself in a way of, doing things that get yourself in a continuous basis on a nice, calm, emotional state to make good decisions before you start trading, like meditating, like just for 5 minutes, close your eyes, hand on your heart, breathe deeply, and then be grateful. And then that's all it takes sometimes, just 5 minutes just to calm yourself down, remove the chatter, and then go into the markets. And the more time you can tap into, and this is the biggest thing that I'm learning more and more, the more time you can tap into that intuition of what that quiet voice, what that feeling is about that trade, the more time you're likely to do well. I know myself, I'm in a couple of trades right now, right? And one trade, my feeling is like, you're an awesome trade. The other trade is like, my feeling is like, you should be out of this thing right now. You know what I mean? If I'm honest with myself. And the more we trust in that feeling, the more we're going to move forward in a big, big way. So the best thing I can say to you guys is have your one simple edge, just one thing. It doesn't have to be complicated, just one simple thing. Stop trying to make money on every single trade and just be disciplined on taking those really, really, really good setups. And even if you are in a bad setup, or if you did take a trade that you shouldn't be in, guess what? Just get out of it. Just get out of it. Don't try to be right with the market. Trying to be wrong and right with the market is just going to beat you up in the market, right? I'm going to fight the market back and do this sort of stuff. So every single day, if you want to make 2018 to be the best year ever, and this is lessons for myself. If you want to make 2018 the best year ever when it comes to trading the markets, we need to make sure that every single day on a daily basis, the big picture is we're going to make money, but the daily basis, every day we need to say, okay, I need to be calm. I need to be present with the markets. Even if I'm in a trade I should be in right now, I just need to get out of it, cut my losses, and just be done with it and move on to another trade. You know what I mean? And be patient, be disciplined. And as you can see, right, it's that daily small activity of maybe just doing something small just to get yourself nice, calm before you look at the markets. You know what I mean? Or maybe you're trading too much on a trade. So therefore, if you do have a losing trade, it's like, oh my goodness, I can't believe, like, I'm in 2 trades right now. One's a winning trade, one's a losing trade. What does that mean? Well, it doesn't really mean anything to me, you know what I mean? Because I'm trading an amount that the wins are not hurting me. Sorry, the wins are not exciting me. They're pretty good wins, by the way. Pretty good profit, but the losses are not really hurting me that much. You know what I mean? Like I can get out with like a 50% loss on that position and still, and it not hurt me. Make sense? So the biggest success trading tips that I can help you with trading the markets this year is the first thing I must say. What I've been saying in this session so far. The best thing I can say to you guys is, you guys can have an amazing trading career. It really can be an amazing trading career, and we've got to continue to work on ourselves and stop ourselves from getting in the way. And it's these things I'm talking about. Once you know your one simple edge, that's all you need is just one simple thing. We don't need 10 indicators, 30 indicators. No, we just need one simple pattern with one simple entry signal that we know we're going to get at least a few bars move on, right? Because we're not looking for big moves. What if I said to you there was one pattern that you got in that 8 or 9 times out of 10, you're going to get 2 or 3 or 4 bars. You're going to get at least 2 to 3 bars move in that direction, whether it was Forex or the stock market or whatever. What would you say? It's not when and just say, and you knew that 90% of the time you're going to get that move at least a couple of bars. That's all it takes, right? Repeat, 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 repeat. We're not after the big move. We're after get in. We're after a little small profit, or I shouldn't say little small profit. You know, even a small move, I get 100 to 200% profit on my trades. But I wanted to share with you guys those things. And the biggest things for me is to have that bigger picture and keep that bigger picture in mind. But what do I need to do today? And what do I need to do tomorrow? And remember, every single day is that compounding, a snowball, 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 snowball. Right? It's a snowball effect that's going to either stop you or help you move forward. And it's like the first ground basis we need. The first ground basis we need is you need to know what you're trading, right? And again, just keep it simple. What I use on my charts is on my charts is just a simple one moving average, charts, and volume, and that's all I use. And by using that simple moving average, then it's up to me to be able to manage that every single day. And all I say is this, guys, and one of the biggest things that I can say that even I fall into a trap to every now and then. I go looking for trades so I can make a lot of money. Oh my goodness, I'm going to get this thing, and when this thing runs on, I can right. And whenever we trade because we're trying to make money. Now, of course, the default is we're trading because we want to make money. But whenever we get into a trade thinking we're going to make a lot of money, they're generally the trades that, one, we shouldn't be in the first place, or two, those trades that actually are that we get into, we really should be in the first place. You know what I mean? And what ends up happening is because we're focused so much on the profit that trade could actually be a loss, and it might be a good setup. But now because you're so focused on making all this money, now it's a loss. That loss, which was just a loss, is now turned into a bigger loss. All I say is this, is that the best traders on the planet that I've studied and that I'm trying to adapt more and more this year is trade the market for the setup, not for the profit. If you trade the market and give the market respect, and you trade your system, your plan, and you trade your plan every single time, the exact same setup every single time, you're likely to do well. And so when moving forward into the markets, don't trade thinking you're going to make a lot of money. Thinking, I'm trading this because it's a really good setup. You see how this? I know it's counterintuitive, but if you trade the really good setup and you trade really well, you're likely to make good money. But if you trade just to make good money, you're probably not going to focus on good setups. Focus on good setups. Focus on very clear setups that for yourself, and that's going to help you move forward in a big way there. So, guys, there's a few simple things that it's going to help you move forward in your career. I really hope that 2018 is going to be a big year for you. For me personally, guys, I know 2018 is going to be an amazing year for me because it's really coming together this year for me to really have it's definitely going to be my best year ever. And how it's going to be my best year ever, it's not the trading system I'm trading, right? Every trading system out there really does work. That's my ability to be able to trade that trading system and to be able to make those small decisions, right? To get out early, to cut my losses, to let my profits run, et cetera, all those different things. Trading in a calm state, that's really going to help me move forward in a big way. So no matter what you're going to do, guys, no matter what happens this year with you guys, start with the foundations, as in like have your one simple edge, and every day do things that's going to get you a nice calm state. Do not trade the market for profit. Trade the market for the setup, and the profit is likely to come. So anyway, guys, Happy New Year. Have an amazing day. I'll speak to you soon.